I get asked by people, where can I get somebody to make my product? And that's one of the toughest questions to answer, because there isn't a right answer, or there isn't one set of steps that everybody needs to go through. It depends. It depends a lot on what the type of product it is, how many you want to make, how often you need to change the design to keep it fresh. And all of these factors go into determining who you want to partner up with to make a product that you've designed. And ultimately, if you're making a product, a real tangible product, you want to understand the basics of what types of manufacturing processes you're going to choose from. And you can learn about these things in places like Wikipedia. It's not like you need a PhD or even a semester's class on these things. But you do need to understand the difference between something that's done in a machine shop or something that's stamped out or molded. You need to understand the basics of materials, few different types of plastics that you might be needing to choose from. And unless you take the time to learn about what your options are, you won't have the right vocabulary to have a good discussion with the people that you will ultimately want to discuss making your product. And they won't respect you, and if they take your money, it'll be basically to take your money. And unfortunately, that happens a lot. And so my strong advice is spend some time on Wikipedia, read up on all the different manufacturing processes that are described there, come to understand which ones are most appropriate for your product, and then start reaching out. First, try your local machine shops, your local producers. They're a great place. They often are very happy to share their ideas and give you advice and say, hey, go talk to so-and-so. And you'll ultimately find somebody that's a good partner to make your product or your gadget. But do your homework first, and it'll lead to a much better result for you.